In this short video, we want to showcase a brand new enhancement that has been added to the Inksoft Design Studio. Now this feature is the ability to remove all of the white from a design or remove just the white background. So what I'm going to do is show you how this feature is useful, and we'll talk about some of its key benefits. So what I'm going to do now is just go into the Design Studio, and I'll go ahead and select Upload Image, and I'll of course agree to the upload terms. Now mind you, this is a relatively new feature, the ability to display upload terms in the Design Studio. So you can turn this feature on and off. This is a great way to help mitigate any potential copyright issues that could ensue by allowing your customers to upload content without first making them acknowledge that they have the full rights to use said content. So here I'm going to go ahead and acknowledge those terms and click From Computer. And it's going to allow me to browse to my computer. And here on my desktop, I have a JPEG file. What I'm going to do is choose the logo or multicolor design workflow. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make that selection. Now notice this, if I hover my cursor over the preview area, notice how my cursor toggles to this eyedropper. So Inksoft has always had an eyedropper tool that allows your customers, or of course you, to remove colors from an upload. So I could have used this tool in the past to remove the white background, but we have a new function here at the very top where my mouse is hovering. So here, this is the new enhancement. There's two buttons. One says Remove All White. One says Remove White Background. So the reason this is so important, and the reason that we engineered this and coded for this, is for many of you that do apparel decoration processes, whether it be direct to garment, whether it be screen printing, printing white or printing white underbases can be a challenge. And so this is the ability for you to, in some cases, to eliminate having to print white, but it's also the ability for your customers to upload their content and prepare it for printing. And that might be removing the background, that might be knocking out the white. So this serves a few useful functions here. So let's show you the first option, which is Remove All White. I'll go ahead and make that selection, and the Design Studio is going to do the math and process this image. And of course, we'll see the preview update, and here you can see that on the right-hand side. So notice the transparent sort of tiled background. Notice how we see all of the white punched through. Now there was white in Westbrook Academy, in the illustration, in the soccer text. That's all been punched out. Now at any point in time you can reset this just by clicking reset, and that restores the original. Let me compare Remove All White with Remove Just the White Background. Again, Inksoft is going to process the file, do the math, and here's the result. Notice how white is preserved in Westbrook Academy, the illustration, and of course the soccer text. So really there's two choices there, Remove All White or Remove Just the White Background. So now that we're done with this, I can go ahead and choose that this is a two-color file, click Continue, and of course I can recolor this content. So I might choose to make that dark blue, maybe a navy blue, and you can see that update on the screen. I can go ahead and select Continue, at which point in time, here's that file now on my preview inside of the Design Studio. Of course, we have the ability to zoom in. Your clients can continue to recolor, so I can change the navy blue to dark gray, and I get to see that update in real time. So albeit this was a JPEG file, what this new functionality will allow your customers to do is remove all of the white from an image, also remove just the white background, and of course as they import that file into the design canvas, they can continue to modify the colors despite the fact that this is not a vector file. So that is the enhancement, that is the Remove All White and Remove White Background function that's been added to the Inksoft Design Studio upload feature and is available under the logo and multicolor workflow. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about this functionality, or if you'd like to share any feedback with us, please post a comment below this video in the blog posting.